Justin. Put it in the garbage now. You're done. Put it in the garbage. Say yes, Mom. You're on video now. You better listen. Put the spoon in the sink and the cup in the garbage. Don't make a mess. Justin, pull the garbage out and then dump it. Is it in the garbage?
Yeah.
Now I think you need to go wash your hands again. You can't see it. Justin, when you come behind me, you can't see you. Because now you're not in the camera. Go in the bathroom and wash your hands. Terry, can you wash Justin's hands and face?
What?
He's covered in ice cream. Terry. Justin. Oh my gosh, Justin, where'd you go?
I fell down.
How'd you fall down?
I fell down. Mommy, over here. Mommy. Hi. Mom, Mommy.
Look at that, Terry. Look at these.
Over here. I need an ice cream. I'm almost done. Beat me.
Justin, go.
Really stop
Justin,
that.
Justin's all done.